Hello everyone, and today we're going to discuss what's the difference between the words ploy, subterfuge, and ruse. All these words are nouns and they imply some kind of deception, deceit, tricks, artifice, and so on. From the weakest to the strongest, as I see it. Ploy, subterfuge, ruse. Now, these words used in a very different contexts, but more often in some very particular contexts. And I am here to provide these contexts for you to better understand the difference. The word ploy. For me, I've seen this word many times in military contexts. For instance, when some troops trying to apply some camouflage, or they're using a tactical retreat to defeat their enemies. When it comes to the word subterfuge, many times I've seen this word involving some kind of criminal activities. The best explanation, I think, is about some movie. I can remember this name, but there was a shop and a bank building close to each other, adjacent to each other. And robbers were playing heist. And their plan, their subterfuge, was to dig a tunnel from this shop to the bank building. And you can call it a subterfuge, just like robbers. And the next word is ruse. For me, many times I've seen this word involving some kind of magicians, cons, and so on, people that involved in this particular activity, showing tricks, working with their audience. Their main goal to show themselves as great performers and that their tricks are authentic. And to make this happen, they use their ruses to achieve success. And that's it for today, folks. I hope my explanation was very clear for you, and now you can see the difference. Have a great day, and see you next time.